Okay, for those who want to learn how to pull out of the free shipping program that they joined and then don't have any idea, this is for you.
So before I proceed, let me introduce myself. I am Kong, Lazada Senior Certified Trainer, okay, e-commerce entrepreneur, and I just won Lazada Woman of the Year this year. Yay! Okay, I've helped thousands of my students, okay, whether from physical classes to online classes, to grow their online sales in Lazada and Shopee and other e-commerce platforms. So I've guided them through, okay, step by step, and on what you should do and what not to do, and what that you should not waste money on. Because when I just started, I nobody to guide me through. I made so much mistakes and lost a lot of money because of this stupid mistakes. So if you want me to guide you along the way to get to the fastest route to get the most sales, please click the link below to contact me.
Okay, so the links are down in my description below. Remember to click it and to go to this page. Okay, so this is for the free shipping. You know now that Shopee is charging like 5% for the free shipping, and then always customer complain no more free shipping vouchers. So if you are like me and you're very frustrated and the customer keep complaining and you want to pull out, okay, please come to this and I'll teach you how to pull out. So here, and after very long, suddenly there is this button. If you do not wish to continue free shipping, click to opt out. So mine was a 15 free shipping, so I'll click. After you click some more, they have to wait. Okay, then only you click the opt out. So from here, fill in everything and then you just have to submit it. Okay, so guys, tell me what you think. Okay, do you think that at this moment, okay, this is like July 2022, do you want to still join free shipping or not? Okay, so I filled up and then remember this part here. Yes, I have understand I fulfilled 28 days. Okay, so example that you have not fulfilled the full 28 days, you have to fulfill it, only it will stop. Okay, and then yes, I understand and submit. Okay, so once you submit, you already get this, and then within that time frame, if you have not completed the full 28 days, you need to complete. If not, it will be you have pulled out already.
Okay, remember, if you need extra training, okay, or you need to grow your business, you want more strategies to grow your business as big as me, okay, don't hesitate to contact me down below. And for you all here, please give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I share a lot of tips for you guys. Okay, so that's it for me now. Thank you. Bye bye.